Holy crap! Smell it.
I don't want to smell it. I'm about to eat a chicken pesto pan and pasta.
You might give you a more.
Ready? All right, here we are today, ladies and gentlemen. We have menu number 23, the chicken pesto pasta MRE.
Day 4, right?
Day 4.
Or 3.
There's 4.
4.
Count. Use your fingers, Gabe. 4. All right.
Put them little baby toes up on the table if you have
Here it is. Chicken pesto pasta.
Expiration date?
Ooh, chicken breast meat.
Has an expiration. No.
Yeah, right.
21/25 expiration date.
Little bag. Little heater bag. Uh-oh, what we got here?
Perry, another heater bag for your suitcase.
Oh, this is grape flavored carbohydrate electrolyte.
I like the chocolate one yesterday.
Yeah, but this is going to be like our Gatorade, man.
Oh, okay.
What this?
Combos?
Patriotic sugar cookies, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, snap.
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. You can hold it now.
Where's my red hat? Not.
This is awesome. What's this? Oh my God. Are you serious?
What?
You would not guess what's in this wrapper.
Sara Lee.
Better than that. Cinnamon bun.
Oh, shit.
Shelf stable. I'm excited already.
Bridgeford?
Okay, now we got, see, this is another one. We got sugar cookies and a cinnamon roll. That's 2 desserts in this one.
Yes, they had 3, right?
No, they actually had 2 desserts too. We had the cookie or the pound cake and the chocolate milkshake. Italian breadsticks.
Ooh. What do you consider as combos? That would be a what? Not a dessert, right?
No, that's a snack.
That's a snack, okay.
Okay. Here's your pack. Oh, what's this one? What's this one?
Oh, this is coffee.
Wait a minute. Do we have any crackers yet?
No. No crackers?
We got cheese spread.
Where's the crackers?
I don't see any crackers. I guess you're gonna have to eat it on the. We're not putting it on the sugar cookies.
No.
Didn't you get a garlic something other?
No.
What's this? What glasses on?
That's a breadsticks. Italian breadsticks.
Oh, it might be for this. Breadsticks. Sticks.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go ahead and wait a minute. I know what's missing.
Something's missing.
The spoon.
Spoon. Oh,
There he is.
the most important thing.
I was on. It's camouflage. It works well, man. I like that.
Oh, boy.
Here we are. Are you going to do the
Yes,
super opening? Yes, I know you're professional at this.
No, I saw it on YouTube.
That makes you professional.
Where's the thingy? There it is.
Open the thingies.
You press this down. Cujo. Learn. Look, you press it
I'm
down.
watching. I'm watching.
Press it down. And then the excess, you bring it down. See?
How's your excess?
From over here.
Okay.
That's what I learned from YouTube.
Okay.
I learned how to do a lot of things on YouTube.
You learn how to do a lot of things on YouTube.
Yes. Oh my God. The color. Jesus Christ. Looks like. Look at the color.
Well, it looks like your guacamole that was a few days old that Perry ate the other day. He could have had this
The
one.
brown. Oh God.
It smells good. It smells
No,
familiar. Let me get that right.
Yeah, you.
I'm telling you,
Oh
man.
shoot! It smells like
Name that food, Gabe. Well, we had Alpo before, so this has to be what?
guacamole 4 days old.
I'm going to pull this out, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see the color
Ooh.
and texture of our penne pasta. I don't know what the green and brown stuff is, but Gabe's going to tell us how it tastes.
You have to give me that much.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to kill all of us. Oh, it's a 1-sipper so far. It must be good.
I'm still trying to figure out what it tastes like.
Damn, that smells so goddamn familiar.
Huh? It's a previous MRE. It's no. It's a sea ration. It was
That is horrible.
I know.
That is by God nasty. I need a garlic stick for that one. I like the cinnamon bun. I'm saving him.
I think this is
That leaves the worst taste in your mouth.
that is. Oh, what the hell?
You opened the wrong one? You opened the wrong one. You put that back. We're not eating that yet.
Oh.
That's cinnamon bun. That's sugar. No, that is it.
That is it. Yeah, this is the crap.
I've never seen a garlic bread like that.
This ain't garlic, but smell it.
Look at it. What'd you tear up?
I don't know. Look on the glass. I'm getting old, my old age. This is a Italian breadsticks.
Oh, it is indeed.
Okay. Open up the cheese.
No, of course.
This cheese. Let me read.
It's
Cheese.
kind of a mixture between the pound cake, sugar cookie, with a little bit of oregano thrown on top.
Smell it.
That's what I'm saying. But taste it.
How do you open this?
For the love of God, man, we could starve to death. See? Tear at corner.
No, you gotta go to the corner of the house and tear it.
I don't think you needed this, did you?
Why?
Well, because all the oil comes out first. Close enough. Oh, yeah.
You know what that is?
Yep.
You know what that is?
No.
Remember the cheese in the can?
Yeah.
That's what it
I'm
tastes
talking
like.
about the breadstick, though.
No, I'm talking about the cheese.
Try without the cheese. Tell me
Okay.
what you think is, because I'm serious. It's sweet, and the texture is that of the pound cake. Just juggle it around there. This finger looking good.
Yeah. The only reason I'm doing that is to clean my fingers.
That's not gonna clean your fingers.
Okay, by itself.
By itself, it's a totally different flavor, man. That doesn't taste like the sugar and pound cake mix.
This is not cannoli. What's the thing they make in New York? New York bakery. I forgot what they call it.
Not tiramisu. I wish it was tiramisu.
Let me get it.
It's not bad, but it's definitely not just a breadstick like I was expecting.
I was expecting
No.
one of those.
I mean, this is an oregano flavored pound cake cookie.
I was expecting a Stella D'Oro breadsticks, but I was asking too much.
Okay. Moving on along, let's bust open the patriotic sugar cookies. I'm excited to see what these look and taste like.
I don't have my glasses full open. I think I'm gonna eat one of Carlos's thingamajiggies there.
Oh wow, they're little cookie crumb crackers.
Graham crackers?
Well, I'm gonna get out a little paper towel so we can spill them out here, so you can see what they look like in real life. They look like little animal crackers.
I suggest you have your favorite beverage.
See? It's got the Statue of Liberty on it.
Oh, animal crackers.
Show the audience what the Statue of Liberty face on our cookie looks like. That's why it's patriotic, ladies and gentlemen.
And lately it has a sad face, so
I don't know what this one is.
Not bad.
Oh,
These are pretty good.
look at these. These are like patriotic Teddy Grahams.
Yeah. What's this?
That's my dessert. I
Oh,
can't
that's
wait for
good.
that one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing great here. We're still alive.
The dessert is
We've
better.
decided not to eat the cheese spread. You definitely don't want to eat the penne pasta. The cookies will keep you alive. The breadsticks are tolerable. Oh, yeah. See that? A cinnamon bun. Shelf stable.
I'll take a little bit.
It looks like a moldy Pop-Tart.
Yeah.
But it smells delicious because I love cinnamon. That is goddamn good. I do enjoy that one.
It's all right.
I disagree. It is damn good, I said.
I prefer the graham crackers.
I don't. I love cinnamon. Thank you, sir. You can have my crackers. They're just a tad bit dry. Tit-bit dry.
I also suggest a bottle of Jack Daniels next to that.
Jack Daniels, heavy beer, one or the other. Dunkels preferably. So that concludes our test for today, ladies and gentlemen. We give a thumbs down to the penny pasta number 23 MRE. Definitely not worth ingesting.
And so far, the best one has been the rice and beans and the Mexican.
No, it has not.
Yes,
It's
it
been
was.
the Sloppy Joe.
No.
The Sloppy Joe was better.
No.
We'll go back and review our videos and we'll discuss this at a later
No,
date.
even he said the Mexican.
No,
Yes.
we said the Sloppy Joe was the best because it was just like Rotundi made.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
Thank you very much. See, I'm right once again. Everyone have a great evening. Bon appetit. I like it, man.
Okay.
We're done here, man.